What's going down, my friends? Have you ever flown the Arizona desert? About 5 years ago, I got the chance for the very first time, and I've been hooked ever since. Now, don't get me wrong, I'll never give up my summers in Alaska, but when it's cold, dark, and buried in snow, there's something pretty special about pointing the nose south, trading frozen rivers for warm desert air. Down here, everything either pokes you, bites you, or stabs your tire, and I kind of love it.
Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Chaos Cub. I'm Matt. Let me take you on adventures around Alaska and beyond. We're going to focus on backcountry flying in some of the most beautiful and scenic areas of Alaska. Flying is a way of life up here, and I truly love it. If you enjoy this channel, please subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified when more videos come out. Now let's get to some awesome flying.
I think I can feel you say.
Well, day one comes upon us with blue skies, calm air, and a perfect desert morning. Eric's already out at the ranch, but my buddy Jerry is down here with the Cessna 185. He's keeping it at the Glendale Airport, where Eric has his hangar. We load up and we head out.
All right, what's going on, everybody? We made it out to Eric's ranch, Sobion Ranch, Alaska Zone of Flight Training. Flew his Citabria out here, like you saw in the little intro there. But yeah, made it out here this afternoon. I guess it was like 12:30 or something like that. But yeah, let's go see what we can find. All right, here we go. We got some cattle down here in the river moving over. That's kind of cool.
And every time I fly out of here, I'm reminded how unreal the desert is. The textures, the colors, the emptiness. It's a totally different kind of wild compared to Alaska, but it's wild all the same.
You know, after coming up here with Julie a few times and getting to fly around the helicopters and stuff, I really find that the desert is pretty awesome. Never really experienced the desert before. Oh, definitely a cool place.
Now remember, this isn't my first time flying this Citabria. I did train in a Citabria when I was getting my private pilot's license. So I'm taking it one step at a time. I head south and start picking through the washes, not doing anything crazy. Just learning the airplane, feeling how it talks back, how it floats, how it plans.
This mountain has some really cool rock formations on there. Wish I knew my geology better to actually know what kind of rocks those are. Maybe it's sandstone or something, I don't know. Somebody's gonna correct me in the comments about what kind of rock this is, I'm sure, but sticks out like a sore thumb over here on the edge of this mountain. I don't know what kind of rock that is. Sure, it's rock, but gosh, from here it almost looks like it's clay. Pretty cool.
I find a long, smooth stretch of sand and roll the tires over it first. The sand is deep, soft, different than Alaska gravel bars. It really feels good. So now there's only one thing left to do: commit and touch down. Not my prettiest landing, but we're down and rolling, and that's how confidence gets built.
Roll that far. Felt like we went a lot further, but actually that wasn't bad at all.
I'm the original. I'm the original. I'm the original. Every day since I was born. I'm the original.
Well, that is officially my first off-airport landing on my own in Arizona. Done plenty with other people and their planes, but never with mine. I could say I pioneered that place, but I'm sure somebody else has landed there. It's so sandy, lots of razors or buggies or whatever you want to call them are coming through there too. So, but yeah, that was cool. First place, heck yeah.
I'll get back, the girl is gone. My heels are dirty and my shoes are thin. She know by now that's the business I'm in. Make a little money, make a little love, get a little help from the Lord above. Make a little money, make a little love, get a little help from the Lord above. Make a little money, make a little love, get a little help from the Lord above. Make a little money, make a little love, get a little help from the Lord above.
I spot another stretch just downstream. This one has a different lip at the top, almost like a natural threshold. You do not want to hit that thing short, let me tell you, but it gives you a clear aim point. I work it a few times, dialing it in, feeling the sink, and managing the float.
Alright guys, I found another spot I think that we can land, so I rolled my tires on it there. It looked pretty long even if we had to do a longer takeoff. But should be fine, but like I said, I don't really know this plane all that well, so I'm still being pretty cautious.
Trying to make a dollar, trying to make a dollar, trying to make a dollar.
You don't like it? Go-arounds are free, at least in this area. They're not always free, but this area, I keep working it till it feels right.
And when I finally shut down and step out, yeah, that one built some confidence. I'm starting to feel at home in this airplane. With the sun getting lower, I scout a few more washes. Some look pretty tempting, but I'm not 100% sure on the legality of landing in those areas. And part of off-airport flying is knowing when not to land. So I call it. Let's head back to the ranch, shut down, and soak up some of that desert sunset.
All right, guys, that's a super cool place. Yeah, you know, it's so much different than Alaska down here. Almost every place is cool, which I think if I had my Cub down here and I've been flying along, I wouldn't really appreciate this place as much as I am right now. It's just totally different airplane, totally different environment. The desert is just so beautiful. So super cool to stop here. I'm sure we'll find a few other places, but I think that's probably the end of it for today. We're gonna probably head back to the ranch. Got about half tank's fuel, so we're good there. Trims forward. Everything's in the green. I think it's time to go.
I didn't film much around the ranch itself. Eric's got students there and he's still getting things organized. But once everything is fully up and running, I'll come back down and we'll showcase what he's built out here. It's going to be something special. This might not be my typical Alaska backcountry video, but it's still off airport, still raw, and still very real. Just in cactus country instead of the tundra. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. Please subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to grow it. And I'll see you in the next one for day 2. Because we're just getting started down here. Chaos Cub,